started investing at age 49, and now 6 years later, I have an $85 million real estate portfolio. As someone who started off bankrupt and built $1 million portfolio, here's the one thing I would focus on if I were in my 50s and had to start from zero. This one thing is so important. It could make or break you regardless of how much money you're starting off with. The one thing you're gonna focus on is networking, and here are the reasons why. Networking can open doors for you. It can allow you to get into deals that you otherwise might not have been able to. For instance, I had a realtor friend who introduced me to an investor. That investor ended up coming into one of my deals, and as a result, I was able to get equity in a 443 unit property. Networking can also lead to partnerships. You might find your next partner or partners just by simply talking with people and finding out if their values, if their strategies align with what you're looking to do. And networking might lead to new friends. It's always good to surround yourself with like-minded individuals. After all, your network is your net worth.